In the new world, it's not the big fish that each eats a small fish. It's the fast fish which eats the slow fish. Fast is the new big. Most people never get rich because they never value their time. So think about that. Do you want to make it quick or do you want to make it slow? Do you have time to even make it slow? I got rich when I started valuing my time. Rich people, we value time more than we value money. Poor people, they value money more than they value time. You see, you've heard of the concept of return on investment, ROI. Now, but here's a more powerful concept, and that is ROTI, and that's return on time invested. That's correct. Now, you see, most people, when they think about that one word that makes people millionaires and billionaires, very often the word that comes to mind is what? Hustle. You gotta work your face off. You gotta eat shit for 10 years. And you know what? Hustle, that's part of it. That's a fucking given. That is like the price of admission to get in the fucking door. You don't even hustle, forget about even trying to get in the game. That's just to get your foot in the door. Willpower is highly overrated. Highly overrated. I'm a very big believer in success environment. What is the optimal environment that you create, you put yourself in so you could grow? Yeah, you could grow. Remember when you're going through school, those classes, Money 101, Investing 101, Wealth Building 101, remember those classes? Those classes don't exist, right? We're never taught how money works in school. Your parents don't know how money works, so they never taught you how money works. The professor at school don't know how money works. The people around you, your friends, your relatives, they don't know how money works. So therefore, growing up, you never learn how money actually works. What's ironic is this: we spend our entire lives earning money. Why do we go to school? Think about it. To get educated? Yes, kind of, but really it's so that we could have a career, we could get a job, so that we could do what? Earn money, right? Why do we write that resume, right? Why do we go to work every day? To earn money. So it's very fascinating that we spend our whole lives doing something, right? Trying to earn money. We don't know how to save money because look at the fact that most people are in debt. We don't know how to manage money and forget about how to even multiply money and invest money. This is why, because of the conditioning in our society, because we were never taught how money works, this is why most people don't become millionaires. Forget the step-by-step, forget the magic pill, forget the blueprint, forget the roadmap. It doesn't exist. Millionaires know that that's not how big things get done. We start and juggle many things simultaneously, and we take massive action. We are comfortable being in chaos. It's a managed chaos constantly. Constantly. We juggle many things at the same time. If you chase money, it's very difficult to get money. Chase needs, it's easy to make money.